Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add sticker in PicsArt. Stickers are a fantastic way to enhance your images, making them more engaging, fun, and personalized. Whether you are looking to add a touch of humor, express an emotion, or emphasize a particular element in your photo, stickers can be the perfect tool. So in order to add stickers on PicsArt, open up the PicsArt application on your mobile device. Tap on the See All Plus button at the top left from the main homepage, and then choose the image you want to edit from your gallery or select one of the background's image from the stock photo. Now, once your image is loaded, look at the bottom toolbar and swipe left or right to find the sticker icon. Once you find sticker, tap on it. You can browse through the featured stickers or use the search bar at the top and search for a specific sticker by typing in the keywords. Once you go ahead and search for the keywords, go ahead and choose the stickers from the search result. After choosing the sticker and tapping on it, you will then be able to get the sticker on your editing screen. Now, adjust the sticker's position by dragging it along the screen. Place it on a desired area. And now you can also resize your sticker by dragging the edges or the corners of your sticker. Simply zoom in and zoom out for the sticker in order to increase or decrease its size. Also, tap on the rotate icon at the top right of your sticker and rotate your sticker according to your preference. Once you are done, tap on the sticker and you will also be able to see other options at the bottom of the screen that you can go ahead and experiment. There you will be able to see additional options such as opacity, blend, erase, effects, shadows, etc. Go ahead and use the other tools so that you can blend the sticker more naturally with your image. You can also duplicate the sticker by tapping on the duplicate button at the bottom. And there you will be able to see a duplicated version of your sticker. Repeat the step and place it on your desired area within the frame. And once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and save the changes by clicking on Apply at the top right corner. If you want to add multiple stickers, you can repeat this step for each additional stickers. After you are satisfied with your design, tap on the Next button at the top right corner and save the image to your device by tapping Save at the bottom left, or share it directly on social media by selecting the Post option at the bottom right corner and selecting one of the social media platforms. And that is how you will be able to easily add stickers to your images using PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.